Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be making this beautiful I love money hairstyle on this brown wig. So this is how I'm starting. I'm starting off by making a middle part because it's a half up half down. I'm using my previous wig, the one I made a half up half down, but this time around I'm just changing the style of the up part. So on one half of the hair, one half section of the hair, I'm going to be dividing it into another half, but this time I'm going to be making a square with it. Yeah, so I'm going to wrap this part away and then work with this one. Right now I'm creating the money shape. So with the box I'm working with, you're going to have to divide it into 3 equal rectangles. One at the left, one at the right, and one in the middle. And the rectangle in the middle, you're going to divide it into 2 and make cornrows with both of them. Just like so. And it's my first time braiding with long nails on. Actually, it's my first time braiding with any length of nails on, I think. Yeah, so it was really a struggle, but when I got the hang of it, I slowed down the video and showed you guys the exact process on how I was able to grip the hair from the beginning. Right now I was really having it. So I made the 2 braids, the 2 cornrows. Now watch closely. I'm going to make the S for the $sign. This was wrong, but I'm going to show you the right way now. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 to make it S. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I start off my cornrow with my long nails. So you want to take a tiny piece of hair, the first piece of hair, with your index finger, right index finger. Take a bigger piece of hair with your thumb, and then with your left index finger you divide the one you took from the thumb, and then you keep braiding like so. But I'll repeat, you want to use your right index finger to take a little piece, and then with your thumb take a bigger piece. Then with your left index finger you divide the bigger piece from the thumb into two, and then you just have 3 strands of hair like so, and then you keep braiding like you do normally without the nails. I just figured this out today and I was so excited. Right now I can make my braided wigs with nails and I'm so happy. Of course, I'm going to show it to you guys a second time slowed down. So what you're going to do is that you're going to, with your right index finger, your right index and thumb finger, you're going to grip a small piece of hair first, the first one with your right index finger, and the second one behind is with your right thumb, and then with your left index finger you're going to divide the hair strands from off the right thumb, and then you just automatically have 3 strands hair to work with, and then you keep on braiding like so. Right now I'm going to jump to the other half of the hair. I made those 2 L's to just serve as a demarcation between the right and the left side of the hair I'm braiding. So on this side I'm going to be making a heart shaped cornrow, or I'm going to be making heart shaped braids. Yeah. So I'm done with both sides of the hair. I'm done with putting the styles I want to make. Love money. So on this middle part of the hair, I'm going to continue with this L-shaped cornrows, but this time around I'm going to put a little bit of sophistication to it. So just watch, this really easy. since we are done with our cornrows, I'm going to go ahead and increase the length of each cornrow to match the braids on the back. After that, we are going to go ahead and give this whole hair a nice trim and some hot water on the hair. And voila, this is what we have created. Love money, or should I call it I love money braids. So yeah, I went ahead to make bantu knots for the two braids hanging out from the $sign and the love. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this, and feel free to leave a comment on whatever hairstyle tutorial you want to see next. See you in my next video. Mwah.